Alright, in the previous video we have learned why DFS does not work for a single source short path problem in case of weighted graph. Now in this video we will look at why DFS does not work for a single source short path problem. But now in case of DFS algorithm, DFS has tendency to go as far as possible from source. Hence, it cannot never find the shortest path. Now to make things more clear, let's look at this real life example over here. So let's say we have a graph like this. So if we run DFS method for this graph over here, the order of visiting of nodes will be like this. So first it goes as deep as possible, then it starts backtracking. So as you can see, so the order of nodes visiting as deep as possible. So when it reaches the deepest node, it starts backtracking. So for example, if I want to find using DFS method the shortest path from A to C, it has to visit all nodes over here, then come to C. But here it's obvious that we can easily see that from A to C we have a direct edge over here. So this means that the shortest path from A to C is A straight away to C. But in case of DFS method, it is visiting all nodes, then coming back to this C over here. So that's the reason we cannot use DFS method for single source short path problem, because in this case it never finds the shortest path. It's just visiting the all other nodes and coming back to the node that we are going to visit. So that's why it's not useful for finding shortest path problem. And the reason behind this is it goes as far as possible, then it comes to the node that we want to visit. So we cannot use DFS method for single source short path problem. Now we have learned that we cannot use DFS method for single source short path problems, and breadth first search algorithm only can be used for single source shortest path problem in case graph is unweighted. Now the question is, if the graph is weighted, how can we solve the single source short path problem? Now for such cases, we have another algorithm which is called Dijkstra's algorithm. Now in the next section, we are going to learn Dijkstra's algorithm for single source short path problem. So see you in the next section.